Here with another unboxing of another rare vintage tee. Today we have about like a mid 90s Selena tee, and for me this shirt is an absolute thrill because I've been wanting one for a long time. You know me, I'm Hispanic, grew up watching this movie, you know, a million times. I still can watch it, and I did a big trade for this. Shout out to my man Vintage Heatwave, go follow him. And yeah, I did a vintage, I think it was from 96 polo ball. It was a brand new condition. Nike Challenge Court tee, and like, I forgot how much I paid on top, but I mean, it's whatever. I thrifted all those, and I mean, that's what the game's all about. I mean, you get crazy stuff, and then, I mean, yeah, maybe I wish I could really drop $300 on a shirt, but that's what the thrift game's about. You know, you get crazy stuff, and then that gives you an opportunity to just trade for something that you actually really want. And, you know, in this case, that's what happened. You know, if he sells that, that's okay. He still made his money on the shirt, and I'm still happy. We're both happy. So that's what it's about. It's all good. So I'm going to try to stand this up while I unbox this. Shit is crazy. I don't think there's a size tag on it. Holy shit. This thing is crazy. Look at this, guys. Look at this. That's fucking crazy. You know, I told myself, if I'm gonna get it, there's a lot of like basic old vintage Selena tees. I mean, I really like them all, to be honest. I would love to just thrift anyone, even if it was basic. But I tell myself, if I'm gonna get one, I'm going all out. I want one of the coolest ones on the market. And to be honest, this one is probably the second best one on the market. I say that because there is one that I want right now, and it's a black one. It's double-sided, but geez, this one is crazy. And you can just tell this is 90 because it has that puffy print right here. You know, this is straight 90s right here, dude. This is amazing. This is awesome. So yeah, that's it. I want to try this shirt on right now and see how it fits. But damn, this is amazing. Let's show this front side again. That's so sick. Rest in peace, Selena, man. So tragic of, you know, she could have been, I mean, she already was one of the biggest Mexican artists out there, Tex-Mex. She started that whole wave. She's a legend, and, you know, unfortunately things happen. But, you know, her legacy will always live on, always. Thanks for watching again, guys. Go follow my YouTube. I mean, not my YouTube. I mean, subscribe to my YouTube if you want still more crazy unboxings. I'm going to start doing Trip to the Thrift. Just haven't had time or the energy for it, but I'll be there. Follow my Instagram at War Vintage. And yeah, have a good one, guys. If you can, please follow my vintage page at War Vintage. I would highly appreciate it. If you like this video, subscribe. Have a good one.